technologically advanced machinery.
Laser can go as fast as you can draw it, and a press brake can bend every little spot perfectly.
There's industry standards in the equipment itself. It has to meet up to an NSF standard.
We use a model metalworking machinery exclusively. Its ability to hold tolerances to a very tight standard is impressive.
I mean, all the tooling is so accurate that no matter what link tooling you put in there, if it's this wide or this long, you tell it, 157 degrees, bam, right there it is. With the lasers, it's like everything's within a few thous, so when you pull them up in those machines, it's like you hit one part and check it, and you can adjust it 3 thousandths. 3 thousandths, that's a human hair.
Can we use 200 series? Yeah. Would anybody ever know it? No. Or 430? No. But 300 series stainless is what we purchase. It has to be assembled in a way that meets the standard of not only the customer's drawing, but of our engineers' very strenuous drawings.
They'll have a blueprint for the building itself, and then of course they'll annotate what size equipment they want, and we'll build to that spec, we'll design to that spec.
So it's very important that we build to the print that our customer gives us, so that we're able to make a part that will fit when they put it on their machine.
The finished goods over there are really eye-catching and impressive.
For instance, we're making like 1,000 pans right now. 1,000 pans, that's 4,000 corners, got to be welded, ground finished, and every single edge of that pan has to be where it won't cut some lady with wet hands while she's washing dishes in the restaurant.
The tolerances that we're able to achieve are due to the fact that of the machinery, the equipment that we have. It's also the people we have and the pride that they take in their work.
You have to update with the times, productivity, speed, agility, the whole 9 yards to be able to keep producing at the level that we produce.
You have to respect that level of concern and commitment to a way of producing items, whether anybody's looking or not. That's what you do every day. You make something that's going to be of use in some industry or some business or some restaurant or cafe that people will use for generations. Not just a few years and then throw it away and get a new one, but something that'll last longer than we will.